Ica ikuhĩ ndereti ikonainie na gĩcukĩro kĩa mĩrigo gũthamirio mwena wa Naivasha nĩkoretwo ĩkĩoya ithenya inene kambĩini-inĩ cia gĩthurano kĩnene kĩa mweri wa kanana. Rĩu thirikari ya kaunti ya Nakuru ĩkĩanĩrĩra gũkomborithia mũgũnda ũyũ ũrĩa ũhũthĩkaga ta gĩcukĩro kũrĩ onjorithia.
In a bit you get a plan that is permanent, amended, and that has a capacity to hold all the interests of different uses, including the hospitality industry, conferencing, and many other businesses that were attracted when we called for investors.
Kũringana na mũrũgamĩrĩri mũnene rũhonge-inĩ rwa mĩgũnda kaunti-inĩ ya Nakuru Judelea wa ihenya, nĩ makuruhanĩtie aikari a Naivasha mĩhang'o-inĩ ĩno kũrĩa onjorithia 40 matanyĩtwo kũheo marũa makũmetĩkĩria kwambĩrĩria mĩhang'o yao mũgũnda-inĩ ũyũ.
The planning process is ongoing. We had a joint planning meeting with the ministry, and we were able to get participants give their views, which we are considering, and in a bit we shall be able to release the amended plan so that we allow investors now to start doing their work, constructions, and also bringing business into that area.
Gũkĩrĩ ũguo, Waihenya nĩ atianĩirie mĩbango yothe ya gũcokia mĩhang'o ya gĩcukĩro kĩu kaunti-inĩ ya Mombasa.
It's not essentially that the services were moved from Mombasa. What happened is just trying to facilitate, to ensure that the processes of clearing goods is easier, you know. So it's not that all the services were moved from Mombasa. No, Naivasha is just complementary to Mombasa.
Any noble person knows how much has been spent on that project by the national government and the impact it is bringing in our county. So I don't think that is an area of discussion. The point is, how do we utilize what has already been invested? There is already money that has been spent. Let's get value for that money that has been spent.
Bodi ya mĩgũnda mwena wa Naivasha nĩ ĩranĩire kũhũthia mĩhang'o ya kũhe ahũri biacara marũa nĩguo kũmahotithia kwambĩrĩria mĩhang'o yao na ihenya o ta ũrĩa kwahoteka.
We've put in processes that will facilitate, will make it easier for them to be able to get their licenses, to be able to set up their businesses, to be able to set up the constructions that they want to do.
Ngiribotira Kameme TV, rĩtwa rĩakwa nĩ Mũmbi Wachege.